Today's video from Sharp, we're taking a quick look at the position of the decimal point on the XE-A217 register. So I'm in the UK, so the default 2 decimal places that is set up on the machine as standard is correct for me. So you can see on the screen 0.00, and this works in the UK, Europe, North America, a lot of countries across the world, because when we type in 100 and sell it through one of the department buttons, we are selling 100 pence or £1, certainly in the UK. Not everywhere works like that, so if you need to change yours, that system isn't correct for you, you can change it in a couple of, well, there's one way to change it, but you can have it set to either no decimal places, so when you type in 100 it is 100 rather than 1.00, or you can have 3 decimal places or 1 decimal place. I don't think anyone uses 1 decimal place, but it's all done in the same part of the programming on the machine, so I'll show you how to do it now. So you press mode, then 6 to go into program mode, followed by the total button here, TLNS, and then down to setting, TLNS, and then you're looking for line 8, so you can either scroll to it or simply press 8 followed by TLNS. That takes you to the optional section of the programming, and then you go into basic system, which is kind of like the system settings for the register. So there's things in here to do with the date, time, format, currency symbol, but also crucially for the decimal places you're looking for the line that says tab. So mine's defaulted or is set to 2 because that works for the UK. If you want to change it, you highlight the 2 and then press subtotal, and then it comes up with the 4 different ways of doing it. So I'll set it to 0 to start with, because I think after 2 decimal places 0 is the most popular. So you highlight the 0, total to confirm, total to leave that area of the programming, escape cancel 3 times to get back to the main total screen. And now if you remember on my first sale, when I typed in 100 I got 1.00. You can already see the display's different, it just says 0. When I type in 100 now, I get 100 when I put it into the department. You can see that appear on both displays. That's what you get printed out on the till receipt. So I'll just show you the, well, I'll show you 3 decimal places. So again, mode 6, PGM, setting 8 for optional, TLNS into basic system, arrow down to tab, 0's highlighted, TMST, and then you can choose whichever one your country or region uses. So for 3, TLNS, TLNS to save and leave. You can already see the display there's changed. Escape cancel, back to the main display, and then when you type in 100 you get 0.100, and then if you type in 1000 you get 1.000. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA217 and other Sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on the screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.